Hi friends, welcome to CarTuber Kuwait. So today I'll be showing you a full repaint process of a Mitsubishi Pajero. As you can see, this car has clear coat fading effect. Now most of my videos you'll find that this is the most common problem in Kuwait. So let me explain you why this happens. So basically a paint has a clear coat layer on top of it which provides it a gloss, as well as the clear coat has UV blockers which protects it from the sunlight rays, and it helps not to erode your paint. So a good quality clear coat will help your paint last longer, and it will help to protect more from the sunlight rays. So now this is the most common issue in Kuwait, the reason being that the heat in Kuwait is exceeding over 50 degrees Celsius in the summertime. So in the most common scenario, your clear coat gets eroded. It also implies that the clear coat application applied previously on your car paint was of a normal grade and it was not a good quality clear coat. That is the main reason that a lot of cars face this issue. So here we'll be using Duxone paint, which is a German brand. Once the putty filling is done and it's sanded and leveled up, now we will spray the base paint. First a covering paint is applied so that the paint, when you apply a base paint, it easily gets applied on top of that. And on top of this we'll apply the clear coat. As I mentioned, the clear coat plays an important role in your car, and a good quality clear gives your car a better finish, as well as it protects your car for a longer period of time. So make sure that the clear coat application applied on your car is of a good quality so that it does not erode so fast, and it will help you last longer in the conditions, especially in countries like Kuwait or any desert countries where the heat exceeds more than 50 degrees Celsius. So once the base paint is applied, we use a tack cloth to pull out all the dirt particles or overspray on the paint, so that once we apply the clear coat, no dust particle remains on the car. Once the polish is done, let me show you the final look of the car. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy. Here we go, making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been swerving, make it trendy, we look sexy. It's so icy, 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 엄마네 combination, 새로운 가간지 머리 swag, 남들이 잘 때도 쓸어담지, breaking good, life is good, 한동안 잊었어 이 느낌을, for better life, for better love, 이제는 나도 두 배 벌어. I don't give a fuck, who should give a fuck, 요즘 애들이 병신놀이 하는 거, no one give a fuck, take care of a house, 이러다만 다 나이 먹었어, 후회하지 않아 나요. Let's be straight, enemies, match for technique, cardio, terminate, 좁아 아마 주워 새끼들 너네 주제를 알아매요. Making really on, getting icy zone, flexing, I've been make it trendy.